Hello everyone, I'm Marlene, a single mom with a full-time job, and yeah, I'm kind of trying to look for some side hustle that could at least help me cope up with all these expenses we are going through. So I just want to share to you the new path that I'm taking by watching Mr. Sayan Dolwet free tutorial. Now I'm one of the publishers that got approved by Amazon KDP, and I just want to thank you for that. Salute to you. Thank you for all the step-by-step tutorial. I'm gaining a little bit of commission now, which is I'm happy because some of my friends support me, and yeah, it's like I have 5 journal book that gets approved, including this one, my ancestors secret recipe journal book, which is good maybe to give to your relatives who likes taking down notes about the recipe. So yeah, so you can check it out in Amazon under Camila G. Ilagan. I have other books as well, like 2 coloring books for now, because I just got newly approved, so I'm still trying to see what could I do more, editing and doing stuff, including making books that hopefully I could learn more. Like, it's really a big help. It's a new experience, and I'm doing this for my daughter as well, so I will keep going and try to learn more. So hopefully you could check my books under Camila G. Ilagan, and yeah, I am so happy. So thank you so much. I will keep trying. I will keep learning. In that way, in the future, I could do more. So thank you. Please check out my journals and some of my kids coloring book. It's just some for now, but I will keep going. Check it out in Amazon under Camila J. Ilagan, or I'm gonna leave the link below. Thank you. Have a good night.